Billie Eilish is most certainly the problem. The fact she has to question this is concerning. It's a clear attempt to garner sympathy through controversy without having to offer any real opinion. A prominent celebrity asking themselves over and over again if they're the problem seems like a really silly way to get attention. It's safe to say that most celebrities have been an overall drain on American society. This is on full display when Billie Eilish debuts a song live and merely name drops Johnny Depp's trial, and suddenly she has millions of dollars worth of free publicity. I could have gone to law school, witnessed the trial firsthand, gone the distance and really covered every inch of it and come out with the most pure and right opinion, and it still wouldn't have even compared to Billie Eilish just saying the name Johnny Depp. This inequality in value of opinion needs to be covered more. A great example that comes to mind is Joe Rogan's $100 million Spotify deal. People were astonished when they first heard that figure. However, simply from the controversy not that long ago, they were able to generate over $300 million in free publicity. I know the phrase "all press is good press" doesn't always apply, but it definitely seems to here. In the 2016 election, Trump was able to get $5 billion of free publicity just because he knew how to say the right things at the right time. It seems that celebrities like Billie Eilish are catching on to this. In all of the lyrics of the new song TV, she only mentions Johnny Depp and the Heard trial one time, and there's no opinion about it. She just mentions that it's a thing that's happening that people are paying attention to. How brave. So now she gets 10 positive articles written about her promoting her new tour. And she didn't even need to take a stance against domestic violence. Although most people seem to understand why Johnny Depp won the case, there are still some Heard holdouts. Billie Eilish, knowing this, takes as much of a non-stance as possible so then she can profit and capitalize on as many people as possible. Capitalizing on domestic abuse shouldn't be celebrated like this. It shouldn't be celebrated at all. But instead, Billie Eilish emotionally manipulates her audience by feigning self-awareness. If she was actually this self-aware, she would have taken a stance against domestic abuse while name-dropping the trial. But no, her perception of the outside world will never be truly conveyed. The only real opinions being stated are about herself, which is incredibly safe and narcissistic. She tricks the audience into thinking she's offered some sort of opinion on the outside world by mentioning the outside world and her perception of herself within the same song. She really just listed stuff that's currently happening and then asked if she's the problem though. That's not a real opinion or a real take. That's injecting yourself into the world's most popular problems without offering any real foresight or opinion into the matters at hand. In the name of profit and industry influence, of course. I find it really disgusting when celebrities find a way to sell this groundbreaking version of themselves that does not exist. I said this in my Just a Minx video, but it definitely applies here. There are so many people who want to be known for pushing boundaries without actually going through the trouble of pushing any boundaries. Being liked by everybody is such a common goal for celebrities these days that they're willing to throw out their entire personality, background, and belief system just for the attention. This leads to celebrities becoming so out of touch and privileged that they become the very thing they were trying to speak out against in the first place. They become people who are not only complacent to all of the horrible things happening around them, they are willing to profit from those horrible things. Moving forward, I'm going to try to be more wary of celebrities trying to profit from non-opinions. Shout out to the best subscriber squad in the world. Glippo out.
Yeah, I see that. Your daddy gave you good advice.